subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Oppo sub-brand Realme has launched 3 new affordable 5G phones under Q series in China called Realme Q3, Realme Q3i and Realme Q3 Pro. Among these three, the Realme Q3 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Realme Q3 Pro features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1100 chipset paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Realme Q3 Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.5 aperture. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 30W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio technology for better sound experience. And it also has VC liquid cooling system that helps to reduce the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.5 by 73.3 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 179 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme Q3 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1799 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in electric blue, firefly and gravity black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from April 29th. So what do you guys think of this Realme Q3 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.